Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the data.gov.uk scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. It's used to automatically collect dataset information from the UK government's open data portal. This actor helps you discover, filter, and export UK government datasets without manually browsing the website. This actor extracts structured dataset metadata from data.gov.uk, which is the UK government's official open data portal. It collects dataset titles, publishers, last updated dates, topics, formats, licenses, and direct download links. It's designed for researchers, analysts, policy teams, developers, and anyone working with UK public sector data. So, how does it work? There's two ways this actor works. You can either scrape specific dataset pages directly using URLs, or you can search the portal using keywords and filters. If you already know which datasets you want, you can paste the link in here. This is useful when you've already found relevant datasets and just want to extract their structured data. The second option is keyword-based searching. You can search by topic like economics, software, education. You can also search by publisher, by topics, and the format you want the data. You can also choose to only return datasets published under the Open Government License, and how you want them sorted. The maximum number of items controls how many datasets are collected for you. In this example, I'm searching for transport-related datasets, filtering by the Department of Transport, and in any format available. Now, you can either start the actor or schedule it according to your needs. In this demo, we'll run it once. Now, we wait for the actor to do its magic. When the run finishes, each dataset appears as a clean, structured record. You'll see the dataset title, publisher, description, topic, available formats, license, and direct download links. This makes it easy to scan, compare, and catalog government datasets. You can export the results as a CSV, JSON, or Excel file. This can help you if you want to plug the data into research, workflows, dashboards, or internal databases. This scraper is useful for policy research, market analysis, academic work, and any project that relies on UK open data. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.